on that team and this and then you just get lost in the sauce. All right, today I'm checking out Stereolab. I'm listening to the song Less Yper Sound. Let's get into it.
From their LP, Emperor Tomato Ketchup, please welcome back Stereolab.
Justification. Okay, now we can fight. Divide everything. Just put it on flat. Classification. Don't think that you just fight. You go on this team. I go on that team. Divide everything. And fly on in number. So there's a reason, justification. Okay, now we can fight.
That's a cool little, whatchamacallit, a vocal melody or something. It's just something different, you know. It's just cool. I was listening to the words and then I thought it was maybe something I wasn't gonna get. I remember something on this team and then on that team and this and then you just get lost in the sauce. A very relaxing, kind of vibey sound, but the coolest thing definitely is the vocals for sure.
Okay, now we can fight. Divide everything. Just put it on flat. Classification. Don't think that you just fight.
The keyboard gave it a little bit of an alien feel to it. That meow, 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 meow. That to me kind of puts you in a trance. And this has kind of like a trance effect. That's why I say it's like relaxing, and it's kind of hard to focus on anything. But the vocals, the vocal melody, and then mixed with the like little trance sound, because the song wasn't like super slow or anything. It was kind of upbeat, but with the sounds that were in there, to me, it has a relaxing trance-like effect.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.